Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create quick replies on WhatsApp business. Now you see multiple options: chats, calls, update, tools. So click on tools on your WhatsApp business. So we already click on tools. Now you see multiple option and then you see more option. Now you see quick replies, reuse, frequent messages. So click on it. So we are going to create new messages and then we can send that messages to customers easily. So we are in quick replies. Now you see create and save replies that you can easily reuse. So we are going to create it. Now you see thanks. So we already created and then you see plus icon. So click on it. And then you see add quick reply shortcut. So you can add name. So we are going to add some text. Now you see we added text, reply message. So you can add message according to requirement. And then you see save option. So click on it. Now you see quick reply saved. So you can send this message to customer easily. Now open any chat. Now you see message. So click on it. So we are going to use slash. Now you see message. So this is our slash symbol. So when we click on slash or forward symbol, now you see quick replies. So this is message we added. Now you see message paste here and then click on send. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.